Hello everyone, it's me CR. I'm back and it's another exciting week of grow. In today's video, we're going to be changing up my AC Infinity controller setup for my grow. We're going to be moving stuff around to make room for some additional stuff coming in, like the AI camera, some other stuff. So what we are going to do today is we're actually going to take the lights and we're going to put them on each light onto their own outlet separately, and then we're going to try to run them via the Wi-Fi adapter. So keep watching, and we're going to hook it up. I'm going to show you the app, I'm going to show you the lights, and we'll get going. Can't wait to show you. Thanks to AC Infinity. Good stuff, love it. So going to show the grow room. We're in the process of getting ready to go ahead and put the auto pots into work. These are the auto pots. Those are not AC Infinity, but that's my AC Infinity. So we do have AC Infinity running already. This is the humidifier, and I've already got the Wi-Fi working, and it works great. Only negative I would say with this setup is that you got to be careful with your feet down here at the bottom with these Wi-Fi dongles, because you can kick them and break them. So definitely be careful with that. But so we have lights, and sorry about the wind. I got the fan going, guys. I got stuff growing. I can't show you that, but so we have these lights here. These are the Parfact Works. These are the Floraflex. These are the 500s, and these are the 700 Floraflex. And we're gonna bring them down to this level here, or this Floraflex. So I had to alternate them because on my last grow the plants grew so tall that they grew into the lights. If you didn't see that, check my other channel and you can see how that happened. But I couldn't get them up to the rafters because of this was it kind of in the way here. So I basically made a decision to move things around. And what's cool about these, unfortunately these lights aren't made anymore, but what's awesome about them, these Parfact, is these bars come out pretty easily. So you'll see here on this light that's growing right now, this is the other, all I had to really do was remove from its core outlet or whatever the light here to accommodate this light, this bar here, so we didn't have two bars on top of each other. So this is this new setup, and this allows me to make sure that I can get it going all the way up to the rafters if I need to. And of course right now we got cables hanging. I was going to use cables here. This is the cable, and here's the precise sensor being used. Of course, AC Infinity fan. It's right here. Fans are not on the AI controller. Run those separate. Got my own little hookup here on how I do it, since I'm not in a tent. To each your own. Make your own tent pole. That's what I say. So yeah, we'll step back into here. Come down here. Look, AC Infinity dehumidifier. We are running AC Infinity, guys, and I love the setup because it all comes back to this right here. And so this is my hookup, my setup. And we're swapping some stuff out for these lights. L's are the lights here, and right now I have the lights going through a splitter, which is pretty cool. I mean, you can do that cabling. These are the but you know, the problem is that not all the lights accept these connectors. So we're gonna back off and just we're gonna use the same splitter, one light, and then we're going to plug all four of the Wi-Fi into here, and hopefully that will work. I don't know if it will or not. We're about to find out. I don't know if we can or not. About to find out. If not, we get three of them. We'll see. I can't remember if we need to add power to this by having at least one of the lights connected and the other three not. Which I could still possibly do that. So it's not the end of the world if I only use three. So we'll see. Okay, I'm going to come back, get my printout, because I made a little graph to show you kind of how I want to set all this up eventually, and what we're going to do now. So keep watching. We'll show you that printout. We're back. This here is basically a drawing I put together with all of the ports and what sensors I connect to what. Allows me to really organize my stuff very nicely. So, and you know, these are the extras. I can't put that on yet because we're waiting on a splitter for this, an input, and then we'll be able to connect these up. But you know, we got to have the CO2. Definitely need the humidifier, dehumidifier. They're already connected up wirelessly. I'm gonna get a new camera. Can't wait to get this in, and I think this will come out before that camera comes in. But either way, we're gonna have that connected. The vent fan is already connected wirelessly like that. We haven't hooked this one up yet, but the plan is to hook that up. If we need additional heat or AC, we can hook that up, or we can save that as a port. And then here's port 1. This is what we're going to be dealing with today. Now I have cables here to each of the lights first because I don't know if the Wi-Fi works or not with these. So we are going to learn together as we go, which will be fun. I love learning. And we'll start with just doing one Wi-Fi to one light, make sure that works, and just keep working our way down. So I'll keep one of the cables in just in case it needs that 12 volt from the light to power this splitter. Not sure if it does, but it probably will. But that's the plan, and that's what we're going to do. Eventually we'll have to have all this set up. Eventually we'll have this one in there as well with a splitter. And I do not have any of the fans on it. I could put the fans on it, or we'll see. Whatever else great stuff that comes out that might be usable, we'll just have to see. Awesome though. Anyway, let's do that next. So next up here, I'll pull out one of these, and we'll hook it up, see what we got. All right, so we have it plugged in here, and I got to take this little cap off the top. And that's where you plug the cord or Wi-Fi into. And then we'll put this down. Sorry about the fan noise, but we'll go ahead and turn this on basically. That way we can see it working. I don't care about power right now. We're just functionality is what we're looking for here. And then here we have the Wi-Fi dongles. This one goes in the AC Infinity controller, and this one goes into this over here. So we'll plug that in. It's nice that it has a O-ring as well that kind of seals it from moisture. We got it plugged in right here, and here's the receiver for it. And not going to be able to use it though, because let's come back around and see. It's not this isn't the end of the world, people. It's why we do these things. And it gives AC Infinity opportunity to make some adjustments. You're not going to get, I can barely get this in with the cable. As you can see here, we can get it in. I'll show you. I can get it in. Alright, so it's kind of in. They're tight. But there is no way you are going to get the next one in. There's no way. Let's see here. So, here's the second one. I don't want to get them confused, because this one I might still use them, but just not on this. But see, that is going to be an issue. So AC Infinity is going to need to reimagine their splitter, split it up, so we can get these in there. And if we could get these to work in there, that'd be awesome. So we're going to go back to cables. Like I said, it's not the end of the world. We've got cables. I'll just have to rearrange them and run them back and connect them up. We'll still go this route, and it's still going to follow. We'll follow this. That's why I didn't put the wireless in there yet, because I didn't know. But we can certainly use wireless for a lot of the other stuff here. No problem. So, and it's always good to have little extra spares just in case something breaks. So we're going to hook up the cables. We'll hook the cables up and show you how it works when we come back. We're back. Had to do some readjusting here and there to get everything to work. And this is kind of how it works when you set up a grow system in a grow room. One of the issues I had is the 10-foot cable is not going to be long enough to get to that one in the back. So I just hooked the Wi-Fi up. Since I have an extra port, we'll figure it out, but I just need to move forward on this. So I connected it to L here, right here, which is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And I will show you it working here in a minute. The rest of them are going right through this splitter with cables, like I said. So you can see on. And of course that one's off still. And these are on. And then when I attach this port 6 to the grow light, it'll turn that light on, and then we'll have full control of all 4 lights from this. So we'll switch over to the app real quick, and I'll revert back to vertical and record that and show you how to go into the AC Infinity app, I should say. How do you get into that and add the devices and all that good stuff. Keep watching. So we'll go into the app. Let's get to the main app here. That's the main app that you're seeing right here. And we're going to go into it. And we're going to go into AI settings. And down here at the bottom, we're going to go into... So these are all the devices that are connected right now to the controller. The ventilation fan, the grow light off port 4, which is the one that has the splitter, humidifier, dehumidifier, the inside climate, the CO2 sensor, and then the outside, which that one's built in. We're going to add 6. 8's the CO2 regulator. I've got it connected, but we're not using it right now, so I have it disconnected from the system so it doesn't play a role. But port 6 here, this one, we're going to switch over to a light. So hit on this, scroll down, it's so easy. Hit port 6, select your type, and say grow light. Hit save. Hit save again. And I will show you the light has just come on here in just a minute. I'll go back to this and down here. Oh, let's back up. The stuff in this area right here, that's our lights, fans. You can see port 5 and 6 are on. They're all connected to the AI and they're on. They're all grow lights. Well, 6 is. We don't need to do that. You can actually manually and shut that off, which is pretty sweet that you can do that. That's a new feature that they've added, it looks like, which is pretty cool. But yeah, sounds good. Okay, let me show you. I will get off the screen here and I'll show you the camera and we'll call it good. Alright, as you can see, it's brighter than hell in here. We don't need all the lights up that bright, but they're all on now. And they're all being controlled by the AC Infinity controller. And it's great. It's really, really great. So it's really nice. You can set up your system, reconfigure stuff. You know, could you always use more ports? Probably. You know, I'm going to see if I can get a longer cable to make this work. And then I can open up another port. I mean, I still have... This L port here is still open right now that I could use for the grow camera when I get it. But we'll see how this all works out. I think we're doing pretty good. So till the next time, this is how we'd set up this AC Infinity, how I'm doing my grow room with the lights this year. We're using the UIS Control Plugs, the outlet adapter, and we're using some of the wireless transmitters. And it's all working great. Thanks for watching. This is CR. See you on the next video.